if it is really the case na inferior talaga ang Son over the Father because Jesus Christ said na that the Father is greater than I, okay? Ganon ba? Dapat po naka-full screen. Hindi, actually, sige, Bella, sige, I'll take note of that, Kwan. I'll take note na mag-full screen muna ako doon sa PowerPoint bago ko ikwan sa TikTok Live. Sige, try ko mamaya, okay? Sige, sige, thank you very much. And invite ko po uli kayo. Yes, thank you very much sa suggestion mo, Bella, ha? Invite ko po ito para tomorrow po ito sa part 2 ng Trinity. And kasi